Mr. Chair, it is supposed to be the SDO, the Special
Ilan po ang
Disbursement
SDO, Mr.
Officer.
Chair?
Sa case po ng OVP, Mr. Chair, isa, and sa case po ng DepEd is isa din po.
In a span of how many months or days or weeks po na pa-release ng dalawang SDO yung 4,500 na acknowledgement receipts?
I think yung 4,000 po is for the total of from 2022 ng OVP, 2023 ng OVP, and 2023 po ng
So if we just reckon on the date, Mr. Chair, so kasi nakita ko lang, pasensya na, medyo hindi ko kasi nakita lahat ng papel. I'm just basing on what I saw. Tama ba yung present ni Kong Zia merong date? May date ba sa baba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yung sa acknowledgement receipt may date. So
Yes, Mr.
kung ako po ang SDO at magpapareceive ako, dun po sa dates, yung inclusive dates,